Hello friends, and a very warm welcome to MPOnline channel. Friends, today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to enjoy Microsoft 365 on your Windows desktop computer. Okay, so basically this is Microsoft Office application and you can enjoy this Microsoft 365 application, but first you need to install this app. So you got to search for MS Office 3 My Office app. Okay, so let me just search for My Office app. Yes, so friends, this is My Office. Basically it is a free application. You have to install this on your computer. Okay, My Office is an application to access and use all your Office 365 subscription benefits from one spot. So once this app is installed, you can click on launch, and this application basically helps you to use all Microsoft 365 services from this interface, and it is very easy to use and you are going to love this application. So just install it. Okay, once the application is installed, you can see this simple user interface. On the left hand side top you can see menu, home, my account, programs, documents, help and training, feedback, and about. And in the middle section you're going to see the recent documents, and down at the bottom here in apps section you are going to see all the applications that are pre-installed in your computer. So if you can click on show more, it will show you the entire list of MS Office 365 program bouquet, and you can use these applications. Okay, let me open MS Word. So basically you can view and open the applications from here. So it is very useful application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, and I hope that you are going to like this video. So please like and share our videos, and our channel provides very useful informations. And now let me click on open, and let's open Microsoft Word from here. Okay, in the meantime you can actually see the list of applications that comes along with Office 365 program. So friends, now you can see that how easily I can open Microsoft Word from the My Office app. Okay, so here it is. Friends, I hope that you like this video, and thanks for watching.